The correct spelling. The correct spelling is library. Many people confuse the placement of R and A, but remember, it's spelled library. The correct answer is a library. Choose the correct spelling. The correct spelling is exercise. Note that C comes before S in the word, not the other way around. The correct answer is A. Exercise. Choose the correct spelling. The right spelling is hungry, which means needing food. The correct answer is A. Hungry. Choose the correct spelling. The correct spelling is splendid. This word means something that is very impressive or beautiful. The correct answer is A. Splendid. Choose the correct spelling. Again, the correct spelling is exercise. It's always a good idea to check the spelling if you are unsure. The correct answer is A. Exercise. Find the error. Imran Khan looked herself in the mirror during the bath. The error is herself. Imran Khan is male, so the correct reflexive pronoun should be himself, not herself. The correct answer is B. Herself. Find the error. The fastest you go, the sooner you reach. The correct phrase is the faster you go, the sooner you reach. Use faster not fastest because we are making a comparative, not a superlative statement. The correct answer is A. The fastest. Find the error. There are many sheeps grazing in the field. The error is sheeps. The plural of sheep is sheep, not sheeps. The correct answer is C. Sheeps. He is playing football. Find object. The object in the sentence is football because it receives the action of the verb playing. The correct answer is C. Football. Choose the synonym of profit. Benefit is the synonym of profit, meaning gain or advantage. The correct answer is B. Benefit. Choose the antonym of champion. Loser is the antonym, opposite, of champion. Champion means the winner, while loser means the one who did not win. The correct answer is A. Loser. Choose the similar meaning of injury. The word hurt is the closest in meaning to injury. Both refer to physical damage or pain. The correct answer is A. Hurt. Meaning of the word tawaf in Islam. Tawaf refers to walking around the Kaaba 7 times in a counterclockwise direction, which is a ritual performed during Hajj and Umrah. The correct answer is C. Circumambulation around the Kaaba. Who is the current President of America? As of 2024, the President of the United States is Joe Biden. The correct answer is A. Joe Biden. What is the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is the warming of Earth because certain gases in the atmosphere trap heat from the sun, preventing it from escaping back into space. The correct answer is B. Warming of Earth due to trapped heat. Who is the current Chief Justice of Pakistan? Qazi Faiz Issa is the current Chief Justice of Pakistan as of June 2024. The correct answer is B. Qazi Faiz Issa. Which is the world's largest Muslim country by area? Kazakhstan is the largest Muslim majority country by area, while Indonesia is the largest by population. The correct answer is D. Kazakhstan. What is the capital city of Azad Kashmir? The capital of Azad Kashmir is Muzaffarabad. The correct answer is B. Muzaffarabad. What is 15% of 125? 15% of 125 is found by multiplying 125 by 0.15, which equals 18.75. The correct answer is B. 18.75.